You ready to play? Hey, there's a ball. Wanna go chase it? What do you say? Wanna play baseball? Go get it. Good boy. Bring it here. Good boy. Wanna do it again? Okay, go get it. Go get it. Oh, you want that one? Want the soccer ball? Go get it. Go get it. Chunky! Go get the ball. Go get it. It's right down there. Go get it. Good boy. Yay! Good boy. Bimmy, you gonna play? Bimmy? You're so cute. Bimmy, ready to play? Bimmy, come on. You played last night. You like that toy? You're so cute. Bimmy was on one end, and he was on the other. Were you two poop, Bimmy? Huh? You want to play with Chunky? Hmm? Bim, are you tired? Squeaky toy. You found the squeaky. That's a squirrel. You know, Dad? It's supposed to be. Okay. Maybe we'll get Bimmy to play a little later. Good dog. Good boy, Chunky. You're happy here, aren't you, baby? Hmm? Bimmy's nephew. You are a happy boy. Hi, Bim. Come here, Bimmy.